Have you ever pondered about the inner workings of different legal systems around the world? Today, we're diving into a comparative analysis of two major legal systems, the Anglo-American and Continental legal systems. This exploration is based on the DIKWP model and semantic jurisprudence. Starting with the Anglo-American legal system, it's predominantly built on case law, with court judgments being the primary source. This system is flexible, adapting to societal shifts and emerging legal issues. The heart of case law lies in the accumulation and evolution of precedents. Judges in this system enjoy significant leeway in interpreting laws and can establish new legal principles drawing from previous judgments. This brings us to the role of judges in both systems. In the Anglo-American legal system, judges are not just interpreters, but also creators of the law. The nature of case law affords them substantial freedom to interpret laws and develop new legal principles based on their interpretation of precedents. Their judgments can significantly influence and shape the trajectory of the law. Now let's introduce the DIKWP model. In the Anglo-American legal system, this model aids in the deep analysis of the dynamic evolution of case law. It emphasizes judgment and innovation, assisting legal practitioners in understanding and predicting legal trends. On the other hand, the Continental legal system primarily relies on written law, with legal texts formulated by the legislature acting as the main source. This system is highly structured and systematic, emphasizing the logic and consistency of the law. Legal texts within this system tend to be more stable, and judges are mainly tasked with applying the stipulated provisions, with their interpretation relatively limited to the literal reading of the law. In contrast, judges in the Continental system are primarily tasked with applying legal provisions. Their role emphasizes law application and enforcement over creation. Judges typically base their rulings on the explicit provisions of the law, with little room for extensive explanations or development of legal principles. Now let's introduce the DIKWP model. In the Continental system, the DIKWP model helps optimize the logical structure of legal norms. It emphasizes the integration and systematization of knowledge, aiding in the accurate interpretation of legal provisions and ensuring consistency and accuracy in legal interpretation. In summary, the Anglo-American and Continental legal systems each have unique characteristics and roles for judges. The Anglo-American system, with its reliance on case law, allows for more judicial flexibility and development of new legal principles. The Continental system, focusing on written law, emphasizes logic and consistency. The DIKWP model finds valuable application in both systems, aiding in the understanding, prediction, and interpretation of legal norms. So, while the systems may differ, they both demonstrate the dynamic nature of law and its intricate relationship with society.